Hey everybody, so I wanted to do this video as this is a review on pop-on veneers. And just to tell you a little bit about, before I even get into this, back in March when I bit down on an egg roll, and I actually broke my tooth and had to have it removed because it fractured the root and everything, and had to have it removed. So from March until now, this is how my teeth have been. And I'm someone that's on live all the time and doing videos and conference calls and everything else for my business and everything. And so it's been kind of embarrassing, and I haven't been doing a lot of videos because of how I feel by looking at myself when I talk and everything else. As you can see, just talking, you can see that there's a tooth missing there. And, you know, I got a lisp and everything else because of it. So I got a flapper from the dentist, and it cost me over $500 for a flapper. A flapper is just like one tooth that you just pop into your mouth, and it has a big palate on it. The problem is that it's hard for you to drink or even talk with it on because the palate is so big. You get a big lisp and things like that from it. So I paid the $500 for that, got that, but it didn't work out because I had to take it out every time I had to eat or to drink or to take tablets or anything. And so that didn't work out for me. So for the past 3 or 4 months, I just have done it without anything in my mouth, and it's just been like this. So needless to say, you know, I haven't really felt good about, you know, looking at camera and being on video and everything else like that. So anyway, I was on Facebook, and I'm just like, you know, scrolling through Facebook, doing my business and stuff like that, and I came across this ad for pop-on veneers, and I was like, well, you know, I wonder what that's like, because the price that I saw on pop-on veneers was incredible compared to what it would cost me to get implants that are done, which is, you know, drilled into your mouth and, you know, having crowns put on, everything else. We're talking $5,000, guys. We're talking $5,000-$6,000, because I've been to the dentist and they told me the prices of it, and I'd have to get, you know, and even my insurance would only cover half of it and everything. So I'm like, man, you know, not many people can just take $5,000 out of their pocket. So when I saw this ad and I saw how reasonable the price is, we're talking about a fraction of what it would be for, you know, for the implants and everything. This is a great alternative, guys, because I mean, I haven't put them on yet, so I haven't seen them yet, but this is why I'm doing this review. But it's a great alternative because it's a lot less cheap, it's a lot less expensive, and it's something that can last you a couple of years as long as you take care of them and everything. And all it is just, you know, it's just a pop-on veneer, just like it says. It will pop right onto your teeth and will replace, you know, the missing tooth that you have, or missing teeth, or, you know, discolored teeth or something like that you have. So I'm very excited about this. I just got it in today, guys. Look at that. Just got it in today. So I'm going to be opening up here live, and I'm going to review, and I'm going to show you everything that's in the box. And then I'm going to put them on, and we're going to see what the difference is, you know, from having them on, and then see how that works out. So let me turn my camera around here and show you how all is going to look. Second. Okay. So let's bring this up. All right. So here we go. Let me see if I can angle this down a little bit here. There we go. And then we'll bring it back a little bit. There we go. So this is the box right here, guys. Hooray, your new smile is here. Okay. And you can see here, this is right here is where my new teeth is going to be. So I'm very excited about that. So let's see what all we got in here. Let's empty all this out. Oh, cool. So check this out, guys. So this was the mold from my teeth. So when I ordered this from Facebook, after I paid for it, they sent me 3 molds that you put them into your teeth, and you just bite down really, really hard, and then it makes a mold. And then you can test them out to see how good they are by showing them up to the light. And if you see that your teeth went through all the way through, most likely you've done a good job and everything. They give you 3 molds, so this way you have 3 chances to get it right each time. And guys, this is not, it's a very simple process. It's not painful. It's not anything that's hard or anything like that. You just simply just follow the directions. You take the putty, you just get it ready and everything, and put it on there as quick as you can, and just follow each step that's on there. Pop On Veneers has videos, step by step, exactly each thing to do from the time to put the putty onto the mold, and then how to hold it in your mouth, what to bite down. I mean, everything is just so self-explanatory. It's absolutely incredible, guys. So anyway, this is my teeth that came back just with the mold to kind of show for it. Now the thing is, it's nice is that now that they have this in their lab, anytime I want to get new ones, they'll already have it there, and I won't have to do remolds again, which is really cool. Okay, so let's see what else we got here. All right, so we also got, okay, so inside the box, what does it say here? Oh, cool. So we got a referral program for 20% off, which, I mean, if these are awesome, you know I'll be referring everybody. A review and also Smile More. Oh, okay, so they give you 50% off for you to get extra veneers so you can have for the future and stuff like that. All right, so let's see. What else we got in here? Little toothbrush. What else I got here? Oh, we got a cleaning kit here that shows you exactly what to do. Just dissolving a tablet in a cup of water. Self-explanatory. Comes with all the tablets. Excellent. Okay. And then got a little pack here. Some more information. There's that 50% off. That is awesome, guys. So like I said, this price was just a fraction of what it would be to get implants or anything. And what's really cool, guys, is that Pop On Veneers also, besides credit cards, they also do Affirm, and they also do Zip or some other ways of being able to do it, which is really great. So they will definitely find a way for you to be able to make this happen compared to what it would cost you to go to a dentist and everything else. All right, so here we go, guys. Here we go. Okay, so let's see. Here's the box right here. Let's open this puppy up. Oh, look at that. We've got a little mirror thing there. That's pretty cool. And then that's my teeth, guys. All right, this is my teeth. All right, so what does it say here? Okay, sterilize it. So rinse these off before I put them in my mouth. So let me take them out, see what they look like. Oh, look at that. That's pretty awesome. And there's that tooth that was missing. That is really cool. Okay, so let me rinse these off real quick. Be right back. Okay, awesome, guys. So I'm back. I rinsed them off. Ready to go. Ready for the magic moment. Okay. Oh, I wish we had a drum here. We do the drum roll and everything. See how it is. I'm really excited about this. Okay, so let's see. Let me do the bottom ones first. So all you do is just pop these on, and they just snap right into place right over your teeth. So you can see my teeth there. You can see the coloration in it. You can see all the difference in it. All right, so let's go. There's the bottom. I'm loving it. Okay, here's the big test right here. Wow. Wow, wow. So they just pop right into place. Now, it does say on here that that it's going to take just a little bit. Your speech may sound a little different at first, but your tongue and mouth will adapt as your pop-on veneers get cozy in your new home. Oh my gosh, look at that smile. Wow. I haven't seen that smile in a long time, guys. That is pretty awesome. And what's cool about this too, guys, is that you can eat with these. You can eat with them. You can drink with them. I mean, drinking, no problem. Thing was that with that flopper, I couldn't even drink. Okay, I had to take it out just so I can just so I can drink and just so I can eat. So even though I got a little lisp right now, I had that before with the flopper and everything else. But once the teeth is in there, you'll get used to it and everything else. This is great though. I mean, they look really white. I mean, I feel like I'm in Hollywood, you know. My teeth hasn't been that white for a long time, you know. But I absolutely love it. They're comfortable. They don't hurt your teeth. They don't hurt your mouth. All they do is just slide right onto your existing teeth. So that is really, really awesome. So thank you, Pop-On Veneers. I am definitely going to be putting this all over TikTok, all over social media, and showing everybody how great it is. And if anybody has any questions or want to ask me anything, just message me and let me know. All right? This is awesome. Wow, guys. I love it. All right. Thank you very much.